Basically here, I forgot to film a intro for this video. But basically, all the thing I'm doing is creating the patterns with that chipboard for the front edge to the kick panel, and then the area going to the kind of towards the outer rocker side right on the lip. Now, there's not much structure in the floorboards currently, so that's the reason why I kind of wanted to get at least the floor panel piece in. And the way I'm going to go about this is kind of different because I'm making the actual floorboard piece first, taking it out to the existing 90-degree edge on the outer rocker so I have something to go off of, and then I'm going to be creating the outer rocker, then inner rocker. So it's kind of a multi-step process of just trying to get strength back in it and hold it together, so at least I can get the start and stop of where the metal needs to go and where it needs to stop. So it's kind of just thinking ahead and coming up with some sort of game plan, and that's the main thing about doing all this patchwork on this car, is I knew it was all doable and there was enough there to start and stop, and that's what's important. But basically what you'll see me do is make this template, and I'll start trimming up the edge of the new floor panel piece, and then I'll roll right into bead rolling. Alright, so I got some starter lines drawn on here. It's not really what I wanted to do, but it's kind of what I have to do. My throat of my bead roller isn't that deep, so I can only do so much, but I think I'm going to run a straight line bead here down to the edge, a diagonal one, and just kind of offset, and we'll see what I can do down here once I get started here. Alright, so I got this bead rolled. You can tell I had to use every extremity I had. Leg, foot, arms. But yeah, it's tough by yourself. It's tough to get a straight line. It's tough not to get these imperfection marks in it. And I wish I had a deeper throat bead roller too. All that would help, or just a table for the bead roller. That'd help also. But hey, working with what I got.
and that'd be an old concrete mixer with the bead roller mounted to it. So.
As you can see here, I'm finishing up the tacks on the floorboards, and that is going to give me the structure between the hinge post and the latch post, basically so the door opening won't spread open from the pillars, and that'll give me enough structure to cut out the existing outer rocker and start making new. So next video, you will see me installing and creating my own outer rockers and inner rockers. So stay tuned next week if you want to see that video. But for now, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.